Hey, what's up? So I'm at Pamelia Lake Trail, doing an overnight camping here. So I'm not going to be filming much of the trail on the way in. If you want, you can go to my Instagram page and check out any photos I take. There'll probably be a million. I will be doing a lot of filming at the campsite though. So, stay tuned. It's gonna be fun. Well, here I am, Pamelia Lake. Gorgeous view of the mountains there. Alright, gotta find a place to camp, and I will be good to go. I don't have a lot of time left. Maybe another hour and a half till sunset. So I gotta get to moving to find a camp spot. Just to give you an idea of how cold it is, there's ice on this lake. Big mountain lake, and I bet you it freezes for part of the year. Okay guys, I found my camp spot. Right here. This would be a good spot, I think. So, yeah. I'll move those boulders out of the way, but I'll set up right there. I think that'll be fine. Yeah, that's what I'll do. And there's a fire right here, help keep me warm. So it is cold. It's about 33 degrees right now. It might get a lot colder. So fire, shelter, and the lake's right through that tree line right there. So yeah, this will be good. This will be perfect. Good to go. Found it. Alright guys, that's my shelter for tonight. You can see that Reflectix material. That's really going to help keep warm all night. Fire is going to help. That Reflectix is going to grab all the heat from the fire, keep it right on me. If need be, if it gets too cold and I just can't deal with it, I can drop these down and zip it up and just turn it into an A-frame like you saw when I first put it up. Alright, shelter's built, good to go. I got to get some firewood. Somebody sat right here and had an orange. We're gonna let that get to a boil. We'll have a delicious cup of coffee. So sitting here by the lake, it's still pretty light outside. There's a lot of ambient light still. The sun's way down. But back at my campsite, it's really dark. It's really deep into the forest, you know. Hopefully this isn't boring, you know, me talking. It's just this, you know, scenery in the background. I'm almost camera shy a little bit. Oh. To go through the trees. So working on getting my fire going. It's going right now pretty good, but it took quite a bit of work. Everything I have is like super wet, so I'm trying to, you know, just get it going, keep it alive. You know, as far as me being in front of the camera right now, there's not much to see. It's dark, so hopefully there's not a lot of smoke coming into you guys. Oh, that's not too bad. So yeah, she looks like she's going pretty good now. Took a little bit of work, took a little bit of effort, because everything's so wet. You know, all the tinder I was trying to use was very, very wet. So I got it going though, so it's good. All is good. All is right in the world. All is right in the world. I'm also going to make a little bit of hot cocoa. That sounds good. Kind of the bad part about camping this time of year is it's absolutely dark right now, and it is 6:40 p.m. So, you know, you gotta kind of take the good with the bad, I guess. But, man, it's cold. I can tell you, it's cold. If I moved away from this fire, it would immediately get very, very cold. Guys, I'm having fun. I am. This fire was kind of touch and go for a little bit. Wasn't sure if it would get going, but it did. I'm pretty confident it's going to stay going too. Alright guys, who wants to hear a camp? Alright guys, it's 10 o'clock at night. I'm going to bed. I'm just going to let the fire go out by itself. It'll be fine, it's safe. I will see you in the morning. Good night. Morning. Good morning. It's very cold. The lake is frozen over. I had to pound at it with my knife to get to some water. Whew. My setup worked really well last night. It did. Thought I'd maybe have to lower it down to turn it into oh, look at that sky. Look at that. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Anyway, thought I'd have to turn it into an A-frame, but it did fine, just like it was. The fire went out at about 3, but I never actually got cold, so my sleeping bag worked wonders. It got well below that thing's rated temperature last night. Well below. I mean, it's like, I think it's 25 right now. So, getting more water for my breakfast. So, yeah. Ooh, it was a cold one, guys. I woke up around 3 and I really had to pee, and oh man, that sucked. Climbed back in my sleeping bag and actually I immediately fell back to sleep, but it's crazy, guys, crazy. Whew. Guys, it's cold. Let me look at my thermometer here. Oh yeah, guys, it's 25 degrees Fahrenheit. It's cold. Do you guys hear that? Legit all night long. I woke up to it at like midnight, I think. That's when I stoked the fire one time. I had a good night's sleep though. I didn't wake up officially until 6:30. Let's see if we can. Look at that view. Pretty, huh? Pretty. Alright guys, I'm gonna have my breakfast. Check in with you in a little bit. That's right, guys. Coffee or die. So this right here is where I broke through the ice earlier to get some water. It's already frozen back over. Not very well, but look at that. Crazy. It's that cold. You know, it's only been maybe half an hour. Whew. Nonsense. So I'm gonna tell you, it's really gorgeous here. It's really beautiful here. Kind of don't want to leave, but it's time. Man, I look beat up. Look at that. Look at that right there. Look at that. Look at that. Man. All right, it's time to get out of here. I gotta pack up and go home. Alright, that's it. Time to go home. About a 2-mile walk back to my car. Oh. Alright, time to get moving. Walk along the water side right now. I think I gotta go up that way. Hey, don't forget to check out my Instagram page. I'll put the link down here in the description. Hey, so before I actually shut this down, I just saw something that was really cool. At least I think it's cool. You may not. So, check out this root right here. This tree obviously fell at some point. This tree right here. Right here. See it? It just keeps going on and on and on. Alright, goodbye.